What's up, Eric? Right here from YesWeRentHouses.com. Here at a two-bedroom, one bath apartment, first floor apartment, 1411 Filbert, 21226. As you can see, we make our way into the first bedroom. Uh, Hardwood floors throughout. Here in the second bedroom, right next to the first bedroom. Water is included in the rent. As we take a look at the bathroom, as you can see, everything's very clean, new paint, new flooring. And as we come back out to the first room, which is by the entry door, you have your kitchen. As you see, very clean, very updated. Again, it's 1411 Filbert, uh, first floor apartment, two bedroom, one bath. One last thing, you will have access to washer and dryer in the building. Visit us, yeswerenthouses.com.